Hey everybody! These are the paintings from my last two videos, and this one is a 12 by 24, and it looks just like it did at the end of the video, which is a good thing. And I love the colors, and I love how a little bit of the red got picked up down there. So that's it as a whole. And then this is the other one that I did, and there are some pinholes in there, so I must have had my paint a bit too thick, which, that happens. So, and usually you can cover that with resin, but I don't generally resin my canvases anymore because it's a pain in the butt. Okay, so let me, oops, there we go, I think. Touch it a bit. There we go. So this is a little 4x4 canvas, and I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do like some polka dots, but then I don't know if it's going to be a swipe or what I'm going to do. I'm not really sure. I wonder if I should do a swipe. Swipes are hard on these little ones because they bow in. Alright, so I'm just going to start. This is a iridescent mix of colors. It's not a specific one. And as I said, I really don't know what direction I'm going with them here. And this is self-mixed purple. Yeah, that's it. And let's see, let's do some Prussian blue. This is Grumbacher Vermilion mixed with Artist Loft Metallic Orange. Whoops. Okay. I'm going to start my paint around the edges to get them covered. I think I'm going to cover the blobs. As I said, I still do not know exactly what I'm going to do with these. I wonder what will happen. my yellow. So this is Artist Loft Deep Yellow. No. It's ending up to be a nice way to get colors to not mix too much. I don't know what it will look like when I torch. Let's do that now. Yeah, I knew that was going to happen. Currently, it looks like an Easter egg. Which was not my original intent. All right, it's starting to look less Easter eggy. Nothing against Easter eggs, I just don't want them on my canvas. I'm really starting to like it now. I like the way those are blending, and I'm trying to keep that orange over there. And I want to fix that part, but I don't want to get my finger in it because that'll make a noticeable. I'm going to try and really tilt it to get a to mix in with the rest. I think at this point I can, there we go. I am enjoying the look of this. I am enjoying watching it develop. Because as I said, when I started this, I did not know where I was going. I had no direction, none. Just gonna touch up. Paint's missing on a bunch of these sides. I hate when I think I'm right touching it and I'm like nowhere even close. I love it. It's so little and cute. Maybe it sometimes pays to have absolutely no plan. Look how pretty the colors are. There's sides you can see. Super happy with it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.